Sheriff's office. Oh, there's a dog. I heard the chain. I didn't see him. I was born and raised in this area. I mean, the bad thing about it is you have to deal with a lot of people that you know and arrest a lot of people that you went to school with or you grew up with. But on the good side, you actually, it means a little bit more when you come from this community and you're able to help the people that you actually know and that you grew up with. This call they're responding to, it looks like a newborn not breathing. These are the calls that we definitely don't want to get. Not looking good? Really. The outcome that we were all hoping for with the child didn't happen. The outcome is going to be the detectives are going to come out and investigate and just make sure there's no signs of foul play or neglect in this incident, and they'll take over the case from here. The homeowner's advising that nobody should be there, and if there is, she wants us to call her, and I guess she'll decide what she wants to do. It's just a good idea to have 2 deputies respond and make sure that everything goes smoothly. Got 3 doors to your left. I'll take the first one to the left. Sheriff's office. Fortunately, nobody was inside the residence. It looks like somebody might be staying here. Not exactly sure who. Nothing valuable was taken from the residence. So at this point, we're just going to secure the residence and contact the reporting person and see what they want to do from here. We're headed to a domestic looks like it's going to be between a father and a son. At this point, it's not physical, it's verbal only. We want to hurry up and get there before something like this escalates into physical. Do me a favor, man. Wait in the shade over there. I'm going to talk to your dad real quick, all right? It was just a family dispute. It appeared that the son was under the influence of some type of narcotic. We're responding to a suicidal subject. She's advising that she's feeling suicidal. A lot of times the ambulance that's responding, they'll stand by until we're able to go inside and make sure the scene is safe. Are you when they called? Okay. What's going on? I say today was a pretty normal day. You can see we deal with a variety of calls. I enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. I enjoy coming out here and meeting new people and just learning, meeting people that live in your community and just trying to make a difference. And it's unfortunate. I mean, a lot of times we do see the unfortunate side of situations, but I mean, there's a lot of rewarding things in this job, and those are the reasons I do this job.